In this video I'm going to show you how to detect and repair system files. So sometimes your computer will behave strangely, throw errors for no apparent reason, and this is one particular way that you can tell your PC to scan itself for changes and to repair itself. So what we're going to do to start with is we're going to open an elevated command prompt. So we'll go to look for command in the search box. We'll open run as administrator, and then from the command prompt we'll type in this simple command. So it's sfc /scan now, and then we press enter, and the system will now scan its own file system, detecting any anomalies, and will attempt to repair itself. As you can see, the system's now finished, and it shows that Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. So we should now retest what wasn't working before, and this is just one of those things that we can run to help repair corrupt operating systems. Your support is really important to us, so if you wouldn't mind, please go and visit our YouTube channel and click the subscribe button. That would be really appreciated. Thank you.